It's March 2nd. Let's build our watch list. What we're going to do is we're going to start for everything we were watching yesterday. And if I took a position, I'll mention it. BCLI, I took a position. We're consolidating between here and here. I probably should do a bigger video on BCLI. Still watching it, might add. Bid ask is fine. So what I'm doing is, these are the lines I drew yesterday's watch list. As you can see, it started to creep up through a previous range. Now what is it going to take to get through to here? BKTI, if you didn't get in yesterday, I would just look for continuation today. I let it go if you haven't already entered. CLMT, there you go. Once we got above here, told you guys about this yesterday, you could have got anywhere in 389 to 43, easy 10% yesterday. It's going to 52-week highs, and it probably will continue. You're welcome. CTEK, still consolidating. Let it come down. CYAN, oh, this is every day becoming more and more beautiful. So as you saw in BK, here you go. Not quite there, but we're getting there. So CYAN staying. DYNT, this is why it's a watch list and not buy. This looks like it's about to start to fail through the gap. So goodbye. HPP, this gaps are not great. Off the watch list. HDSN, it's, I watch today for continuation. Resistance is 162, 177. See where it goes. It's not for me though. IQST, this thing is going to start to come back through. So if we get to 139, it's going to get to 134, 121. I'm going to just put an alert here. This is about where I'll look to buy. Sorry guys, try to tell everybody. MITT, we're going to keep this on the watch list, but it's not going to be today. MITT. PETZ. It's worth watching. So I know it's failing. It's failing through. I'm going to guess somewhere around 4.4 is where it'll settle. And I took a position in ZSAN yesterday, and we're probably going to continue up here. 134, 135. I think my average is 137, so we're okay. I won't really get worried about ZSAN until under under $1.25. I don't think it's coming. I just don't. Let's see here. Okay, so that was from yesterday's watch list. That's going to continue on to today's. Alright, so let's just run through some tickers here. This is where I'm going to pause and come back. So I don't want everybody to think that I only go long. CREX, CREX, is a huge candidate for a short. Huge. Just something to keep on your list if you actually want to short. Alright, so here's STKS. Kind of looking for continuation. Back up to the 675 range. Volatility coming in yesterday, some volume. So we know there's buyers, we know there's interest. Should be pretty obvious that 450s is support. Okay, so I was also asked what to do about the morning runners. I guess I really should. Okay, let's do this. Alright, so there is realistically 6 things really moving this morning. Let's take a look at all 6. First is CFSM. CFMS, sorry. basically it is went from $1 to $1.85 and has been selling off since. My guess is you don't really want to pick this up today. Its news is it's got a new market, which is good long term, but it's not going to run higher today, I don't think. Next is INUV. INUV went from $1.03 to $1.95 pre-market and sold off since. Its news is generates business-to-business lead. Oh, that's that's February 24th. I wouldn't touch INUV with your money. KXIN, it ran from $1.03 to $1.95. Okay. Holdings announces entry new vehicle sales contract by subsidiaries of Hitachi. Okay. This is a vehicle sales for a third party. Shall purchase agreement with shareholders and require 100% of the capital of Hitachi from the shareholders of Hitachi. Okay, so they basically bought out a company. And NVC has gone from 4 to almost, is about to hit $9. Let's see what it's doing. Okay, so it's been as high as 13. Alright. Well, high as, whatever that is. 10. Alright, so it's approaching all-time highs. Let's see here. Nano Inc. Pan coronavirus clinical drug candidates for treatment of coronavirus. Alright, so it's COVID news. And she just broke 928. So, my guess is this is a low float. Yep, low float. So you play with low floats, understand what that means. The volume is increasing so much, I gotta think we're at the top. It's like 928 now. 928 is the top. I got a feeling we fall under 9. It's going to take some real support to come back. Okay, we're under 9. Okay, well, this is a low float. Maybe I'll do a video on a low float. We'll see. It's got coronavirus news. Could you catch a bottom and ride it up? Maybe. SOS is going from 6.4 to 8.1. This has been pumped pretty good the last couple of days, so no shocker here. Here's a dirty little secret. Once you start seeing the same ticker on a bunch of YouTube channels, it's a good idea somebody's got some kind of thing going on. Shares outstanding, shares float. What's its news? Alright, well, this is yesterday. I don't know. I wouldn't touch this. Okay, so when you have any doubt and you can't find news, use Google's advanced search. This news actually came out yesterday. It was here yesterday. So, you know, I can't imagine. Wait a day or two to come back to this. You know, that's my opinion.